Hey guys, today I want to show you a new grill I got. It's the Tytus grill. This thing does a little bit of everything. It's island style. Takes about 5 minutes for someone to assemble. I'm not somebody. It took me a little bit longer, but once it's out of the box, it is a 5-minute assemble, really easy to use. It's got a lot of really neat features we're going to walk through with you. Got a nice chest for your little bit of Crown Royal fits in here, some Coke. Keeps things cold for you. This side has a nice burner on it. It's great for heating up sauces and things on the side. And then inside is the beauty. It's got 2 racks in it. It's got infrared back here. And then actually has an attachment for a rotisserie. So later today we're going to use this rotisserie and we're going to cook some tacos al pastor on it. So we're going to put the pastor on here, just let it rotate over the heat. Lots of storage on this grill down below. Storage in the middle. And this side as well. So a lot of storage. Back side looks just like the front side. So you could put this actually out there where people can see the back and it would look just as good as the front. I have a couple great accessories I want to show you for the Tytus. First of all, the rotisserie. We're going to use this a little bit later, but using the infrared, this is just going to rotate around the heat. The other thing I want to show you is the Tytus smoke box. To add a little flavor, we're just going to add some of these B&B chips, heat up, add a little water, and away we go.